Welcome everyone to a new episode of Integer series, and today's video is based on time. Let's try to understand this concept with the help of example. An airplane was flying at a height of 1800 meter. That means first we need to decide the ground level, which is our 0, and the height of the airplane is given 1800 meter, which is above the ground level, so we will represent it with positive 1800. If it descends means it is going down at a rate of 60 meter per minute. So each minute this airplane is descending 60 meter. How long will it take to descend to a height of 300 meter? So what is the new height of our airplane? 300 meter. Again, height is given, so we will represent it with positive. Okay, now what is the gap between both the height of airplane? This was the first height and 300 is the second height. So what is the gap given? As we are descending, so we will use subtraction operation. Minus 300. So the distance covered by the airplane is 1500 while descending. And in 1 minute, airplane is descending 60 meter. So 1500 distance वो कितने minutes में cover करेगा? So how we will do it? We will use division operation. 1500 divided by 60. 0 will be cancelled out. Both 150 and 6 divisible by 3 as well as 2. So you can use 3, 3, 5, 15. 3, 2, 6 again divisible. 2, 1, 25. That means it will take 25 minutes in order to reach 300 meter. Let's do one more example. A submarine left the surface of the water. Now we will take this surface as sea level, which is 0. Left the surface of the water at the rate of negative 2 meter per second. At that rate, how long will it take for the submarine to reach negative 80 meter level? As we are talking about below sea level, so this position is represented by negative 80 meter. Again, submarine is below the sea level and the rate is given as 2 meter per second. So what is the distance covered? Distance covered is negative 80 meter and time period is given as negative 2 meter per second. So how we will find out the time taken by this submarine to reach this negative 80 meter? Same thing, we will divide it by negative 2 and this will give you 40 seconds. Now why are this rate is negative? Because it is under the sea. Next says the temperature recorded at 12 noon was 15 meter above 0. So let's take this point as 0. At 12 noon it was 15 degree above 0. So let's take this one as 15 degree above 0. That means we will represent it by positive and this is at 12 noon. Now if it is decreasing, again it is decreasing at a rate of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. At what time would the temperature be 9 degree below sea level? Below sea level means we will represent it with -9. So first what we will do, we will find the distance traveled from 15 till 9. So as we are going down, so we will use subtraction operation. -9 is already there. Same sign leads to addition. Now 15 plus 9 will give you 24. This is the distance traveled by this temperature reading from 15 to -9. Now you need to find at what time. So it started at 12 noon. Temperature descends given as 3 degree per hour. So how we will find the time? We will divide it by the rate, which is 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. It will take 8 hours to reach 9 degree below 0. Now 8 hour means it started at 12 noon. So 8 hours straight from 12 noon is 8 p.m. So at 8 p.m. the temperature would be 9 degrees Celsius below 0.